You've mentioned the cloud, and the cloud has been really critical in the transformation of many, many businesses. Of course, many organizations, as you and I know, run into challenges when they implement the cloud and they try and modernize their systems. What are the biggest reasons for these unwanted situations that organizations find themselves in?
We've been doing some work now over the last couple of months, and we came across a stat that gets pushed by actually all of the clouds, and it's that 70% of cloud migrations fail or stall. Now, that is a striking number. Now, if you think about an organization who wants to go into the cloud, why are so many of them not able to actually activate and activate well? And a lot of times, even once they've activated and they've actually made it to the cloud, then they're still not happy. They've adopted and now they're sort of regretting it. People are wanting to go back because of costs going out of control, and they're not seeing those benefits that they sort of thought that they were going to see. The problem is usually the implementation of the technology. So when we start looking at something as big as a migration from your in-data center into the cloud, we have to start wondering about those decisions. Why are we moving to the cloud? A lot of times there's a driving factor. The data center is closing. We've got all of our hardware is going out of warranties. Let's rather move into an OpEx model in the cloud. So there's lots of reasons why you want to go into the cloud. How you go into the cloud is then the very next question you have to be asking yourself. We see a lot of times happening is that there's a very big disconnect between the different groups of people within the organization as to what the reason is for this cloud move. The first question we always ask them is, why do you want to move to the cloud? We don't think that everything needs to move into the cloud. We are an organization that believes very strongly in a hybrid model or even a multi-cloud model where you can run on-prem, you can run in the cloud, you can run in multiple clouds. And that's why modernization is such an important factor for us, because modernization, and I won't go too technical, but a technology called Kubernetes gives you that foundational layer that you can move applications between all these different areas without having to worry about, rebuilding or anything like that.